Okay, so you are able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, so self sabotage. तो self sabotage क्या होता है? Self sabotage is basically I know what to do. मुझे मालूम है मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. मेरे पास सारे स्किल्स हैं, मेरे पास सारे रिसोर्सेज हैं, मेरे पास नॉलेज है, सब कुछ है, राइट? और उसके बाद भी व्हेन आई डू नॉट टेक दोज एक्शंस जिससे मेरी गोल की फुलफिलमेंट हो, वी कॉल इट सेल्फ sabotage, right? And it is a silent process which happens within our own self और हम नॉर्मली ने इसको रिकॉग्नाइज करते नहीं है. और जब हम इसको रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करते दैट इट इज a सेल्फ sabotage, then what we do is we focus on outside, that there are certain conditions which are happening outside where I do not have any control, and because of that things are not happening for me the way it should happen, right? Now, how I got inspired by this? Today morning I was having a conversation with someone on WhatsApp, and I just reviewed about his performance. In last 3 weeks, he said no progress. Right? Then we, had some conversation on WhatsApp only. So that triggered me to get into this. Right? So let's get deeper into this. So let's look at what is the reflection on this. आपने कभी भी फील किया हो कि आपके कुछ टास्क हैं, आपके कुछ टारगेट्स हैं, आपके कुछ गोल्स हैं जो कुछ दिन हो गए, कुछ हफ्ते हो गए या कुछ महीने हो गए, और मे बी इन सर्टेन केसेस देयर आर सर्टेन केसेस वेयर कुछ साल हो गए और आपके ना वो टारगेट पूरे नहीं हो रहे हैं, राइट? और बाकी काम तो हो रहे हैं बट वो स्पेसिफिक टारगेट आपके अचीव नहीं हो रहे हैं. सो लेट्स फोकस ऑन दोज एस्पेक्ट्स. अब इसके अंदर हमारा कॉमन एक्सपीरियंस क्या होता है कि मेरे जो स्पेसिफिक गोल्स है ना वो पूरे नहीं हो रहे, एंड वेयर माई एंटायर डे गेट स्पेंड इज इन फायर फाइटिंग, डीलिंग विद चैलेंजेस. मेरी टीम ठीक से काम नहीं कर रही, या मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ठीक से नहीं है, या मार्केट कंडीशन ठीक नहीं है, राइट? सो वी गेट इनटू दोस काइंड ऑफ कन्वर्सेशंस एंड मोस्टली वी गेट स्ट्रक इन मैनेजिंग द थिंग्स एंड वी से मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है. बाकी सारा टाइम कहाँ गया? इन मैनेजिंग द थिंग्स, in dealing with other priorities, in dealing with other challenges. Now we need to get deeper into this. तो देखने में तो ठीक लगता है, राइट? कि बहुत सारा काम है, ब्रेक डाउन हैं, चैलेंजेस हैं, बट इज इट द रियल प्रॉब्लम, और रियल प्रॉब्लम इज समथिंग हिडन? So we call it as a ontological trap. Ontological क्या है? It's a state of being. As a human being, we are having a state of being. That's how we are called human beings. So this is not about the time management, it's an ontological trap. और ontological trap क्या है? This is your way of being. और way of being को आपने डिस्कवर कैसे करना है, इसको देखना कैसे? द मोमेंट यू लुक एट कि मेरा जो एक टारगेट था, मेरा एक जो गोल था, मेरी जो एस्पायरेशन थी, डिस्पाइट ऑफ थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग. what is I'm left with? मेरा एक्सपीरियंस क्या है उसमें? You may find that certain thoughts which are popping up, which are like, I'm being stuck, I'm helpless, I'm not good enough, right? Those kind of conversations are happening silently in our mind. And consider these play a major role in limiting our actions. ये जो हमारा स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग है, इट एक्चुअली ड्राइव्स us to take whatever actions you want to take, right? जो रियल गोल्स होते हैं, जो हमारी एस्पायरेशंस होती हैं, ड्यू टू ऑल दैट, क्योंकि वहां एक्शन नहीं होते, देन वी सफर ऑन दैट. एंड इट बिकम्स ए विशियस लूप. विशियस लूप अगर हम बोले तो इट इज ए कंटिन्यूअस लूप इन विच वी फील प्रेशर. अब गोल तो है, टारगेट तो है, पूरा तो नहीं हो रहा. अगर वो पूरा नहीं हो रहा, देन वी कीप ऑन फोकसिंग ऑन दैट कि अब क्या करूं. and we are worried about it. We are having pressure, right? We avoid certain uncomfortable tasks, right? So what we do is we get stuck in struggling with the task. जो important task है वो हम नहीं करते और कुछ और हम emergencies में या रूटीन के अंदर we get struggled. एंड देन वी सी कि हमारा पूरा हफ्ता, पूरा महीना या पूरा साल निकल गया और वो जो हमारे खास गोल थे, खास टारगेट्स थे, वो हमारे पूरे नहीं हुए. एंड देन व्हाट वी आर लेफ्ट विद दिस, विद द गिल्ट और विद द एंग्शियसनेस कि होगा भी या कि नहीं होगा, कैसे होगा. नाउ देयर इज ए इनर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विच इज ऑलवेज हैपनिंग. नाउ जो भी आपका एरिया है, whether you are in business or you are your own professional practice or you are having, engaged in your job, you know what to do. वो आपकी expertise है. And you also know how to do and how to deal with different kind of challenges in that kind of role and, whatever job you are in. But something is happening inside you which is distracting, for which normally we do not inquire, normally we do not look into. So what is that something? कुछ तो है. So what is that something that actually distracts you? That something is the story you are telling yourself. When I say story, it means actually it is a story and it is not the truth. So whatever thoughts you are having in your head related to that fulfillment, consider it is a story. थोड़ी देर के लिए इसको एग्जामिन करो, ये स्टोरी है. जब आप इसको एग्जामिन करोगे तब you may find some other way out to deal with it, to break through that. अब वो जो स्टोरी है वो रिफ्लेक्ट कैसे होती है? स्टोरी रिफ्लेक्ट करेगी आपकी by way of judgments and complaints you are having. Instead of that, when you are having unfulfilled goal, always you will have your own judgments and your own complaints. अब वो जजमेंट और कंप्लेंट किसके बारे में? जजमेंट और कंप्लेंट होंगी आपके खुद के बारे में. मैं ऐसा हूं या वैसा नहीं, और आई एम नॉट दैट गुड इनफ. और इट इज अबाउट अदर पीपल. अब अदर पीपल में कौन आएंगे? मे बी योर फैमिली मेंबर्स, मे बी योर बिजनेस पार्टनर्स, मे बी द सिस्टम, मे बी योर टीम, मे बी योर मैनेजमेंट. या तो आप खुद के बारे में जजमेंट कर रहे हैं, कंप्लेंट है, या आउटसाइड ऑफ यू, राइट? सो ये जो जजमेंट्स हैं, ये जजमेंट्स अगर आप देखेंगे, ये जजमेंट और कंप्लेंट अभी की नहीं है. इफ यू लुक एट द एरियाज ऑफ योर लाइफ जहां आप अपने आप को पाते हैं दैट यू आर स्टक, यू विल फाइंड ये जजमेंट और आपकी जो कंप्लेंट्स है ना, दीज आर हैपनिंग फॉर ए वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. एंड if you look at your inner self is so powerful कि whatever is happening within you, that actually provides a space for the workability. अब इसके अंदर क्या इंक्लूड होता है? What is possible for you, it is coming from you within. What is not possible for you, that is also coming from you within, right? So all of your actions are coming from whatever is happening within you. So when so much is happening within you, all the complaints and all the judgments, it is not a very powerful space for you to be in, to take those actions. अब इसमें करना क्या है? So one story is that I can't do this, टीम ऐसी है, कंपनी ऐसी है, ऑपरेशन ऐसी है, कंट्री ऐसा है, या मैं ऐसा हूं, या बिजनेस पार्टनर ऐसे हैं. That is one story. Second is you replace that story. और उसके लिए करना क्या है? सबसे पहले पॉज, जस्ट थिंक, हैव सम थिंकिंग टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ. लेट मी नोटिस व्हाट इज माय स्टोरी. यू मे नॉट बी एबल टू कैच इमीडिएटली, राइट? नोटिस व्हाट इज योर स्टोरी, राइट इट डाउन. अब उस स्टोरी के अंदर आप नोटिस कीजिए व्हाट आर द कंप्लेंट्स एंड व्हाट आर द जजमेंट्स यू आर हैविंग. उस स्टोरी के अंदर कोई ना कोई पात्र तो होंगे, कोई ना कोई और लोग तो होंगे, आप भी होंगे. What are the complaints you are having, right? And then you need to choose a new and empowering perspective. ये तो story है. Keep the story as a story, and what new story you can create. Because अभी जो story है, those events are not happening right now. Whatever story is coming from, अगर 10 साल पुरानी story है, जरूरी नहीं वो इस moment पे तो नहीं हो रहा हो, right? इस moment का मतलब आज के दिन, इस समय, तो वो story नहीं हो रही. You are free right now. But the moment you focus, you start replaying those stories in your head. It means you are having that power to pause that story and again replace that story. अब वो replace कौन सी story करेंगे? Replace वो story करेंगे जो आपको inspire करता है. आप क्या inspire करता है? You may get deeper into what is more important to you. What is your life about? You may start looking at in doing whatever you are doing, whether you are doing business or whether you are in job. Whatever service you are providing, it is going to add value in someone's life, in someone's area. That shifts your perspective in focusing from yourself onto others, right? And you can create your own story, right? That creates a space of empowerment, and then you can take powerful actions from that space. Now, another thing you can notice is that you are having, all of us as a human being, we are having 3 voices in our head, always. So once you are a human being, these voices are going to be there. Now, it is not wrong when these voices are there. That's how it is. That's the design. So what are those 3 voices? One is voice of judgment. मैं ऐसा हूं, मैं ऐसा नहीं हूं. ये लोग ऐसे हैं, ये लोग ऐसे नहीं हैं, इनको ऐसा होना चाहिए, सिस्टम को ऐसा होना चाहिए. All these are the judgments. Second is voice of cynicism. In the voice of cynicism, we are not having any hope, hopelessness. Possibilities दिखती नहीं है, कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. That is the voice of cynicism, which is again happening in our own head. And third is voice of fear. So whenever you are finding yourself to be stuck, you may notice that these are the 3 voices. When these are the voices, then that's not happening in reality. It's happening in your head. So once it is happening in your head, you are having power to suspend. You need to look at what are those voices. Make a list of that. उसको आप note करें. Note करके look at, are you willing to suspend these voices? At least for the time being. Allow yourself to do that. The moment you start practicing it, you will notice that these voices are getting suspended. It's that simple. Right? And you will find yourself to be free. Now, what you can do is, you can have the self-check tool. Self-check tool में क्या है? सबसे पहले, what is my priority for this week? Or maybe what is my priority now? Or what new discovery I would like to have for myself? What is my purpose? You can get into those kind of questions. So is my life all about doing whatever I'm doing, which has only become transactional, or can I add more meaning to it? So you can get into those kind of questions. And then you can break it down at quarter level, monthly level, then week level. So at least every week you need to look at, okay, what is my priority? For priority में क्या देखना है? Am I going to engage into my own story, or am I going to create something more meaningful and purposeful, which is important to me? And whenever you look at any chaos, consider in the back end, maybe some story is there. Start capturing that. और उसको देखने का बड़ा सिंपल तरीका है. एक सिंपल इंक्वायरी है, what is right about it I'm not getting? What is right about it I'm not acknowledging? Just ask these questions. Maybe you are not able to see it consciously, but it will shift your awareness and it will cease to exist. That space will cease to exist. So look at what is the story I'm entertaining and what more powerful and meaningful work I can do, I can bring in, or what is my most important objective. Look at that. What is my most important objective? And whatever objective already you are having, have a fresh inquiry. Is it all or something more is there? Is this objective coming from voice of cynicism, voice of fear, or voice of judgment? Is it ultimate or can I go beyond it? Ask these questions, be in this introspection, and you'll get the answers. And whenever you want to have self-inquiry, do it while writing. Now, you can create interactive coaching support for yourself. These are the questions you can ask yourself. What is one thing you are avoiding that you know is important? What story are you telling yourself about it? So whatever interpretation is you are having, that is not the truth. That is story. Which judgments and complaints you need to get free from? कौन-कौन से judgments है, कौन-कौन से complaint है? Make a list and then you can suspend, notice कौन-कौन से voices हैं which I need to notice and suspend. And then it gives you a space of creating a new story. The moment you are having a new story, more powerful story, it will give you more power, more energy, and you will find you will start getting new insights in dealing with your mundane job, in your routine job. जहां भी आप अटके हुए. So any question?